In this video, we'll discuss what's a breadboard and how to use it. Before modern plastic breadboards, people used wooden breadboards by hammering in nails or thumbtacks to act as terminals. The user should have a clear understanding of the breadboard circuit before using it. Normally, the negative side is connected to the blue rail of the breadboard, while the positive side is connected to the red rail. The breadboard is labeled with columns marked from A to J and rows numbered from 1 to 30, although this may depend on the size of the breadboard. Now let's discuss how to connect a LED bulb to the microbit using a breadboard. And these are the things that we need. We are using a special edge connector which allows us to use all the 25 pins of the microbit. Let's understand how to connect the LED bulb to the circuit. An LED has two pins, one short and one long. The short leg should always be connected to the negative side of the ground of the circuit, while the long leg connects to the positive side. This allows electricity to flow through the LED, otherwise it won't light up. LED bulbs are current-driven devices and they don't limit current on their own. Therefore, they are used with resistors. Without a resistor, an LED can draw too much current, which may cause it to burn out. This is the circuit for the project to connect an LED bulb to the microbit using a breadboard and a resistor. Now we will discuss how to generate the code. First go to microbit make code and start a new project. Type the project name as project 1. Now let's code for the project. First go to Microsoft microbit make code and go to input and select button A pressed, and then scroll down and go to advanced and select pin category, and from there select the second option digital pin and change P0 to P1 and the value to 1. Then scroll back up and select basic. From there select this block and change it to tick and take a copy of this entire block. So right click on the pink color area and select duplicate and then change A to B by clicking on the arrowhead. Then change value 1 to 0 and the tick into a cross. So this is the code that we need for the project. Now we'll see how to connect all the bars together. First we have the microbit where we have downloaded the code, and we have the adapter and the breadboard which are fixed to a plastic base. First fix the microbit into the adapter like this, and now need to do the cabling. So I'll take the blue cable and fix it to the ground, which is this corner pin. So fix it here, and then I'll fix it to the blue line over here and take the purple cable and then bridge it from the blue line to the 10th row. So then I'll take the LED bulb. So LED bulb has the two pins, one short and one long. The short side I'll fix to the 10th row, 11th long side I'll fix to the 11th row. Okay, so then next the resistor. So from the resistor from the 11th row to the 15th row. Okay, the resistor is also done. So next I'll take the red cable and fix it from the 15th row to pin 1 over here. Okay, so then I'll fix the battery. And when you press the button A, so we get the tick in the microbit, as well as the LED bulb lights up. When we press the B button, we get the cross and the bulb switches off. So you can improve it with even more LED bulbs.